Shubham, the Jaljeera seller, was a very greedy man. Early morning, he pushed his cart while singing loudly.
Hey, come and drink my Jaljeera. It's full of spices, Jaljeera. Let's beat the heat with Jaljeera. Refreshing and fresh Jaljeera.
Just then, a few kids ran towards Shubham asking for Jaljeera. Uncle, give us Jaljeera too. Yes, we love your Jaljeera a lot.
Oh yes, of course. But first give me 5 rupees.
One kid quickly pulled out 5 rupees from his pocket and gave it to Shubham. But the second kid had no money.
Here you go. Spicy, tangy Jaljeera.
That boy enjoyed his drink happily, while the second just stood and watched. Then he asked again. I didn't bring money with me now. Please give me Jaljeera. I'll pay in the evening when you return.
Hey, get lost. No money, no Jaljeera. Don't ask it for free.
The boy ran home crying. A man standing nearby spoke to Shubham.
Hey Jaljeera seller, you made such a small boy cry? You know his father, right? He would have surely paid you in the evening. Oh really? Drink now and pay later. I'm not running a free feast here.
Saying this, Shubham kept singing and moved towards the market. Meanwhile, on the other side, in a silent lane leading to the market, a man was running while the police chased him.
Hey, stop! Catch him! Run as much as you can. Today we won't escape. Oh no, they are after me badly.
While running, the thief Rakesh saw a shop where many laborers were working. He quickly hid among them.
Hey, wait! He was here just now. Where did he go? We will not spare him.
After the police left, Rakesh slowly came out from the crowd.
Oh my God! Escaped narrowly. But I must hide these stolen pearls safely. If not, I'll get caught anytime. Hey brother, did you hear? A big theft happened in the city. A clever thief stole priceless pearls from a jewelry shop. Police are searching everywhere. Be careful. Yes, I heard. Some even say the thief has come to our village. We all need to be very careful. Just stay alert. What? In our village? How nice. I'll pray that the thief comes to me and give me a few pearls.
Everyone burst out laughing. Meanwhile, Rakesh roamed in the bazaar looking for a place to hide the pearls, and Shubham happily pushed his cart home in the evening.
Wow, what a good earning today. If business goes like this, I'll soon fix wheels to my cart. I'll make it a modern cart. That would be interesting.
Suddenly, running fast in the dark, Rakesh didn't see Shubham. They bumped into each other. Rakesh fell down and pearls scattered from his pocket. He quickly started gathering them.
Oh my God, pearls! That means you are the thief for whom police is looking for. Oh, come. Shh! Don't shout. Speak softly. Oh, why should I? You are the thief. I'll inform the police right now. Oh, wait. Please don't tell the police. If you help me, you will also get the benefit.
Hearing the word benefit, greedy Shubham spoke quickly.
Benefit? What kind of benefit? See, if you hide these pearls for just 3 days, I'll give you some. You are just a simple Jaljeera seller. Police will never suspect you. Even if I get caught, they won't find anything with me. Hope you now understand my point. Fine. I agree. Give me the pearls.
Rakesh handed over the pearls to Shubham and then ran away. Shubham walked home happily along with the pearls.
Some pearls? Why settle for some when I can keep them all?
Next day in the market, Shubham looked happier than ever.
What's the matter, brother? You look very cheerful today. Oh, nothing special. Here you go, your Jaljeera. Brother, did you got the news? The pearl thief was caught. He told police that he gave pearls to a Jaljeera seller.
On hearing this, Shubham's hands and legs turned cold.
What? Hey, you are asking as if the pearls are with you. I heard the police beat that thief badly. They thrashed him so much, his face got ruined. Imagine what will happen to the man who helped him hide those pearls.
Inside, Shubham was trembling with fear. Somehow, he dragged through the day and by evening, he rushed back home.
Oh God, help me. What trouble have I landed in? What if police catch me? They beat so hard. No. I won't let go of such priceless pearls. No one will suspect me. For years I have sold Jaljeera in this village. I won't get caught. I just need to be clever.
Shubham used his cunning mind and got an idea. He quickly made fresh Jaljeera water, filled it in a big vessel and kept crunchy bundi with it.
Now the Jaljeera water is ready for tomorrow. I'll mix the pearls in it. Then no one can tell whether it's bundi or pearls.
Shubham mixed the pearls in the Jaljeera and slept peacefully. Next day, he went to the market but left his cart at home. He just came to watch.
Oh no, police are already here. Good, I decided not to bring my cart today. Sir, I already told you, I don't have diamonds or pearls. If I had pearls, would I keep selling Jaljeera here? Search me as much as you want. You will not find anything. You have checked every Jaljeera seller in this market, sir. Now please leave. Hey, no. There is still one man left. Shubham. Yes, Shubham the Jaljeera seller. Police haven't checked him yet. Yes, and today he didn't even come. Strange. That greedy man never misses a single day of earning. Oh my God, why are they putting blame on me? Hey look, there is Shubham, the Jaljeera seller. Hey you. Yes sir. Where is your cart today? It's at home. I wasn't feeling well today, so I didn't bring it. Okay, fine. Come on, we'll search your house. A Jaljeera seller helped the thief hide pearls. So we must find him. Support us. Why search a poor man like me, sir? I don't have anything. Hey, just shut up and walk, or else you'll get beaten.
Nervous Shubham led the policeman home. They started searching. His heart was about to burst as he stood aside.
We didn't find anything here. See, I told you, sir. I have nothing. You wasted your time. That tank? What's in it? Nothing, sir. Just Jaljeera water. Come on, open it. Why check? It's just water inside. Do as I told, or you'll get the stick. Come on now, open it fast.
Shubham had no choice and he opened the tank. But what he saw froze him in shock. The tank was empty, not a single drop of water. The police smacked him with a stick.
Hey, you liar! Didn't you say that water was inside? Where it is now? I don't understand it. It was filled with water.
Shubham was panicking. Where had all the pearls disappeared? He couldn't understand who had stolen all the pearls from his house. His head almost burst with worry. See, my aim is the best. Yes, amazing. But where did you get all these marbles and this Jaljeera? It tastes so familiar. A naughty boy named Rahul, whom Shubham once refused Jaljeera, had sneaked into Shubham's house. That greedy Jaljeera seller. He didn't give me Jaljeera that day. Now I will drink it all. Seems he's gone to the market. Perfect time. Rahul opened the tank, filled Jaljeera in his pot, and after stealing Jaljeera, he ran off with it. Don't ask questions. Just know this whole Jaljeera is mine and my friends. Drink it as much as you like. And look, I even got the shiny marbles. So, no one needs to bring marbles today. I have. Wow, a friend like you is the best. Kids were playing. Just then, a boy's father arrived and he was a policeman.
Hey Rahul, again playing with marbles? I already threw them. Where did you get these? Where did you get the same from?
Dad?
Come on, show me. Give it to me. Hey, what's this?
The policeman instantly realizes they were not marbles but pearls.
Tell me, from where did you get from?
On being asked, the boy confessed the entire truth.
Son, what you did was wrong. Taking revenge is not good. If the Jaljeera seller was unfair, you should have told me. Remember, lying and stealing are both bad. Now you continue play and be a good boy, huh?
Sorry, Dad. Forgive me. I'll never repeat this mistake.
Good boy. That's what I expect from you. Now hand over all the pearls.
The police collected all the pearls and returned them to their rightful owner, the jeweler they were stolen from. Shubham too had to pay the price for joining hands with the thief.